Okay. Good evening po sila pala dyan. This shows with you, Arvin G Vlog si Duke. Time now for the first game for Friday's basketball action between in aviation-friendly doubles of Flying League. Both teams now here between Contact Center dub in red or Marooners po yan versus of course in mint green and white combination. Yan naman po ang wow, para ako nasa loob ng kuweba. Mint green and green combination naman ang of course UR Towers. Yan. Okay, this Asia Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. We're now in its third season. Live po tayo sa Cambridge School in Hilal. Thank you for your sponsors, Trade News and Team LBC. And of course, PSBQ Basketball League and SPB Pilipinas. And first game for tonight will be Contact Center versus QR Towers. And afterwards, this is General Aviation versus Dos Hermanos. First quarter starting now for Contact Center and QR Towers. Let's get it on! Okay, first game po tayo yun. Contact Center, QR Towers. Final 4 minutes and counting before we start. Okay. Both teams po, complete na rin po kasi. Pwede mo tawagin po. We're just waiting for the opening whistle. For both referees, Dave Perido is watching. Okay. Third game po kayo, Mr. Dave Perido versus, of course, ang Airport United. Okay, first quarter. We're just waiting for opening buzzer or opening whistle sa ating mga buting referee. And thank you pala pa sa SBB Pilipinas, Law Chapter for maintaining the integrity of this game with this heat to making more choice in neat and orderly fashion. First quarter starting right now between QR Towers versus Contact Center. May balita, sir? Sino kung kamusta ang Qatar sa ano? Di ba yun? Ay, next week. Pero ay, mamaya pala. Di ba championship na PBA? Tokitek sa ano? Sino tayo nalo? First game. Sa unang laro nila.
Nakapanood kasi.
Oh, busy, no? Hindi ka. Okay, QR Towers and Contact Center. Starting 5, please. Starting 5, QR Towers and Contact Center. Starting po sa Contact Center po. Yan po si Ansul. Si number 0, number 12. Si number 10 at si number... Okay, mamaya na po yan. Sa kabila pa si Bidzig, number 17. Si Ong, si Velasco, si number 16 at si number... Apat pa lang. Ayan. Kompleto po sila, okay. Okay, number 15 po pala ng Contact Center versus Bidzig. Number 17 ng QR Towers. First possession na ko po ng QR Towers. Baliktad! Rekelman, running shot, no good. Again, Belarus. Number 70, Palpal! Block by Bidzig. Second chance points for Ansul. Number 10, Papsa, Buddard, 2 points. First point kagad po, binigyan po ng Contact Center. First 2-0 kagad. Number 10, and Sintas po sabi ng referee, Sintas. Number 16, number 7, Ong for 3. No good. And touch slash by Ansul. Keep it alive. Nako ni Velasco. Number 12 pops up. No good still. Number 12. Rekilman for the rebound. Now to number 10. Nako ni Velasco ang bola. Velasco driving strong. Desho pass kay Ong. Malakas. Number 15 again. Barredo. Barredo na on the Barredo binababa pong bola. Wala po ito sa legit the point guard. Ang contact center. Villaruz for 3. Bang! 3 points. Villaruz 3 points. 5-0 pong score. 5-0 pong score. Contact center on the roll. 5-0. Si Ong driving in. Kay Velasco muna, pinasa, dinrive ni Velasco, driving is strong, no good. Nakuha ni Ricky naman ang bola. Foul! Committed. Foul number 7, Mr. Ong. Ong called for the foul. 7 minutes 57 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Nice! Steal completed. Velasco driving it strong. 2 points, Velasco. 2 points. 7 minutes 41 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. 7 minutes and 37. Barredo for 3. Nope, it's driving strong. Pal, pero may sumabit si ref. Foul called on Talan, number 12. Barredo shooting for 2. 2 shots awarded kay Barredo. First shot, pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Nakuha. Nirekalman, Barredo. Desho Ansul. Touch last. Pero dumulas. Dumulos ang paano kay Ansul. Velasco. Bedzig driving strong. Bedzig. Desho pas kay Ong. Floater shot. Pasok. 5-4 ang score po natin. 5-4. QR Towers. Guarding. And number 10 driving against Ong. Stealing away. Bedzig to Ong. Ong. Running shot again. No good. Sayang. Nilabas. Barredo driving stroke. Dito pas kay Ansul, same ball. Benzig, I think he has a background po sa handball. Handball moves yung ginagawa po ni Benzig. Villaruz against Velasco. Double B po yan. Rekilman, number 10. Mainit ang bantay. Nilabas muna. Barredo for 3. Malakas. Ansul, recovery. Rekilman for 3. No good. And si Velasco, buong bola. Velasco, 2-on-2 situation. Velasco! Nice shot by Velasco. Laman po ng isa na ngayon ang QR Towers. QR Towers, medyo depleted din po ang kanilang bench. Kung napapansin ninyo, wala si Roy, nagbakasyon din pala. Wala na si Velasco, defensor. Meron kasi practice malamang sa Inter-GCC. Okay, back to the maroon ball. Maroon ball po tayo. Maroon ball po tayo. Barredo for the inbound to Bacchiano, number 10. Bacchiano being hounded by the QR Tower. Barredo. Rekilman for 2. No good. Nice rebound by Velasco. Okay. Bedzig. Velasco. Nice play. No good. One more time. No good still. And now number 10. Naipit. And still completed. Same ball. 5 minutes. Second 5 please. Second 5 po. Sa kabila lang po, papasok po lang 4. 22, 18. Dito sa pakita. 45 at si 27. Kabila naman, si Tunako, si Egok po napalitan lang. Ang pumalit. Egok, Rekilman, Driving strong, pops up, malakas. Okay, now to number 18. Number 18, driving the ball. Number 18. Bagramento, naipit. Wow, niyo yung bola, pasok. Nice shot with Bagramento now, 3-5-8 po. UR Towers now leading by 3 points sa Egok. Nice pa, pero na-check po yung pasa niya. Again, Bidzig. Number 22. Nice to Bidzig sa ilalim. Niyo yung bola. 45. Now to Mateo. Wala. Bagramento against Tunakaw. May hawak ng bola. Baredo. Egok swerving. Floater shot. 2 points by Egok. 2 points. Okay, Bagramento, now to Mateo, binabalik kay Bagramento, driving strong again, dish of pass, pops up, malakas, ayun, si number 45, Bidzig, typical lay up by Bidzig, 2 points again by Bidzig. 3 minutes 14 seconds remaining, first quarter action. Baredo for 3. Bang! Tabla! 3 points. Baredo, 3 points. 2 minutes 57 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Bidzig, 45, pops up. Nope. Baredo, binababa, having some troubles. Egok, binababa na niya. Egok, swerving, slicing. Pero hindi siya pinasok muna, mailit mo kasi ang bantay. Now, pops up for 3. Baredo again. Tapos. Number 10. Lost the ball. Still completed. Nice! Oy! Tumama sa pa. Balik muli sa pula ang bola. Nice guard by Egok. Nice hustle play by Egok. Sintas muna po. Pakisipin mga sintas po natin. Para sit po tayo. Okay, Egok na pumasok na muli. Pinasok niya ang ball ni Egok. Natutuna ako to Egok again. Egok, driving strong. Egok, pinasa kay Baredo. Ayun, number 10. Baredo, binabatay number 45. Malakas. Bidzig, naka-rebound. Boards from Bidzig. Mateo slicing. Nakuha nito na akong bola. Still completed. Bidzig, foul. Committed by Bidzig. Bidzig called for the foul. Number 17, Pure Towers called for the foul. Then to Bacchiano to Baredo, BNB connection. Out of bounds. Balik po tayo. Baredo, Egok, 1 minute 25 remaining. Baredo, Tunakaw, rap, play, nakuha, still completed again. Bidzig, 2 points. 10-12. Ang score is 10-12. 10-12. A minute and 7 remaining. A minute and 4 remaining. 1 minute. Baredo, wala. Rebound ni Mateo for rebound ng Bargamento, Jamison, number 3, Egok for a foul, hand check foul. Bargamento number 18, 10 po score po natin. Eto na po, and inbounding Bidzig, no, it's Mateo, no, sumabit. Foul on Tunakaw. Mateo shooting for 2. Puro mango na lang pala po. First shot ni Mateo. Pops up. Kapos. Second throw ni Mateo. Jumpers ready po tayo. Mateo, second throw. Jumpers ready. Mateo, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Yes, sir. 10-13. Again, a 3-point lead advantage by QR Towers. Egok. Binababa ang bola. Slowly but surely. Egok again. Tunakaw. Fumbles. Tunakaw driving strong. Ayun kay Egok. Pinasa muna. No good. Rebound battle won by Baredo. Baredo. 2 points Baredo. Wala na. Okay, first quarter ended. Score is 12-13. Laman po ang QR Towers po ng isa. You're watching right now the game between QR Towers and Contact Center. And coming next po is of course General ABA Gas or versus Dos Hermanos. This game is part of by SPB Pilipinas and PSBQ and brought to you by Credit News and Team LBC. Hari ng padala. Okay, again, second quarter action. Okay, Mateo, labas muna. Number 12, si Ong, si Velasco, si 47, at si number... Number mo, Brad? 16. Yan, 16. Thank you po. Okay, number 16 for the inbound. Sige, sir. Number 16 for the inbound. That's Sweening. Sweening, number 16 for the inbound. Okay, shoutout po tayo. Go McCoy. Yan, si Scott, hinahanap na. Wala pa, mamaya pa yan. Third game sila. Palpal, pero may foul, sumabit. Huwag kayong magsisengis ang bola. Maaari kayo ma-technical niyan. Nurulos po tayo, Scott. Good evening po sa Scott. Go McCoy. Sabi ni Christian Tan. Sabi sinabi siya. It's in. Go McCoy. May ba sinabi pa siya? Jures, durable player of the game na naman. Pambira ka. Ayos. Nako ni Baredo bola. Baredo. Laman po ng dalawa ang QR Towers. Tunakaw, dinidiretso na lang. Okay, number 10. Malakas. Nice one by Ansul. Nice rebound by Ansul. Baredo, no good. Rebound by Tunakaw. Another fresh 14 seconds pa rin. Shot is still completed. Velasco. Velasco, wala. Hindi siya nakapwesto kagad. Again, still completed. Velasco. Velasco. Velasco, stop away. Red ball. Oh, teka lang. Red ball talaga, sabi ng referee. Red ball, sabi ng referee talaga. Okay, red ball po talaga, sabi ng referee. Di na control kasi yung bola. 8 minutes 55 remaining, 12-40 po score. Magandang bantayan po ito mga boss. Okay. Okay, 2-14 all, 2 points. Swinging, fumbled. Tan, humingi ng bola. And this still complete by Ansul. Ansul, ayun, number 10, naiwan mag-isa. Wala, malakas. Malakas. Velasco, tap away again by the red man. Same ball po tayo, touch last by Contact Center. Mga Marooners po yan. Ong, thinking 3. Ong, driving, pops up. There! 3 points. Ong, 3 points. 7 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. First quarter action.
Number 1, Ansus.
Ansus.
Hindi, Ansul.
Sige, Ansus. Sige, thank you. Nice bugger by Ansus for 47. Ong driving, slicing, popping. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0 rebound po tayo. Nakuha number 10. Pasok ang bola. 16-17 again. 16-17. 7 minutes 14 seconds remaining. Ansus pala yun, di Ansul. Okay, Ansus. I stand corrected. Ansus, binabantayan. Si number 47. Pops up, si Swilling. No good. Ong, bothered by Ansus. Again, Velasco, pops up, malakas. Rebound battle, 1 by 0-0. Binoling ang bola, pero meron, nagmamatikon. Number 12. Again, on the attack, again. Wala. Take 2. Okay, that's Talan shooting for 2, number 12. Shooting for 2, and a timeout called by QR Towers. Magbabalik po tayo. Minutes 40 seconds remaining of the second quarter action. The score is 16-17. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. 6 minutes 40 seconds remaining. 16-17 na score po natin yun. Talan shooting for 2. First shot. Pasok. Second throw ng Talan, jumpers ready. Talan, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Baredo for the rebound. Baredo for the rebound. Baredo, 15. Bacliano, Baredo. Number 0. 3 points again. Okay, change favor na po tayo. Now, contact center has the lead. Contact center has the lead po tayo. Jepox Carmona is watching already also. Velasco. Talan, Velasco. Velasco, walang pinasahan. Timeout again. QR Towers. Back-to-back timeout called by QR Towers. Okay, you're watching right to the third season of Aviation Flying Doubles of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Trade the Nielsen Team, LBC Handel ng Padala, and of course, SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, ito po yan, first game po tayo, Contact Center versus, ayun na, QR Towers. Okay, back to the ball game tayo at 5 minutes 50 seconds remaining. 19-18 na score po natin ngayon. 19-18 na score po natin. Pasensya na po sa aking boses, medyo galing sa yungib. Dahil si ganun po ang ano po sa ng venue ngayon. And same ball po rin po tayo, same ball. Same ball. Baredo, no good. Again. Nako, nawala ang bola. Now, lost the ball. Pops up. Tapos. Foul committed. Foul, 0-0. Swinging to Ong. Ong nagdadala ng bola. Boss, shoutout kay Makoy, sabi ni Carmona. Makoy, shoutout to sa'yo. Ong again for 3, no good. And Velasco, floater shot, no good still. Swinging for 2. Bang! Long ko lang. Long to for swinging. And change lineup ni po tayo yun. Okay, papasok ngayon si Bedzig, si Mateo, si 22, at si Bargamento. Si Ong lang ang tinira. Kabila naman, of course, si Egok, si number 10, si number 12, si Baredo, at si Ansus. Okay, Reculman. Baredo, 1920. Baredo, Egok, shake and fake. Na yung Ansus. 2 points, Ansus. Ansus, 2 points. Again, naman muli po ang contact center. Egok, nanununtot. On for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Baredo, binababa ang bola. Baredo, driving strong. And 1 play made. Baredo, counted. Bonus shot coming up from Mr. Baredo. Palit daw po. Okay, Baredo shooting for the bonus free throw at 4 minutes 7 seconds remaining of the game. Pops up. Pasok! Bargamento against Egok. Bargamento nanunundot. Bargamento 2 points. Binawi ka agad Bargamento 2 points kaagad ang binanatan ng bata. Ngayon si Egok nagbababa ng bola. Egok na to. Baredo, floater shot, malakas. Rebound yung Ansus. And ayan na po, si Bargamento na naman. Side, hoy! Ingat lang. 3 minutes 26 seconds remaining. 24-20 score po natin yon. Still, lamang pa rin po ang contact center over QR Towers. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Baredo. Foul! Foul by Mateo. Baredo shooting for 2. Baredo's first shot by Mr. Baredo. Pasensya mo sa aking boses, medyo para nasa yung iba ko. Lagi ganito talaga ang venue ngayon. Medyo kulub talaga siya. And Baredo, second shot, jumpers ready. 3 minutes remaining of the second quarter action. Pops up. No good. And trailing jab. Okay. Green ball. Bedzig. Nako ng pick. Bedzig driving. Bakiriano kay Ansus palpal. Nakuha ni Egok. Lead pass kay number 10. Palpal na bagya. Ong nakuha ng rebound. Ong driving it strong. Bedzig. Foul. Take 2. Naglaro ng cheese, halikantay pa naman Bedzig shooting for 2. 2 minutes 28 seconds remaining of the first half or second quarter action. Bedzig, first shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Just to trim the lead down to 3 points. Pops up. No good still. Baredo naka-rebound. Nakaribang po tayo. Baredo nagbababa ng bola. Zigzagging. Nawala halos. Ayun, Ansus. Kapos. Baredo, palpal. Egok, nilabas muna ang bola. Egok, driving strong. Nakuha ni Pila. Wala na, out of bounds. Mateo, touchless with Mateo. Sir Owens, good evening po sa Sir Owens, and belated happy birthday po sa'yo. And to Barredo again. Barredo pops up. Wala. Mateo, naka-rebound. Lost the ball almost. Mateo driving it strong. Wala. Walang pinasahan halos. Bakiliano driving strong. Bakiliano. Requilman, pasok ang bola kay Requilman. 26-22. Bargamento against Egok. Ong pops up. Wala. N. Requiliano. Number 10. Nakalusot. Easy 2 points by number 10. 20-22. A minute and 9 remaining. Bargamento. May tahan ng bola. Against Egok. Bedzig. To Mateo, pops for 3. No good. One more time. Barredo naka-rebound. Ansos, naitira mag-isa. 2 points, Ansos. Bargamento. Malakas and pushing foul. It's a push. Pushing foul. Take 2. Okay, Bargamento, number 18, shooting for 2. 33 seconds remaining. Calling Gas and Los Hermanos. Pumunta na po kayo rito. Matatapos na po ang first half ng first game. Bargamento, second shot. Wala, kapos. Calling Los Hermanos and Gas for the second game. Puntan po kayo dito. Matatapos na po ang first half ng first game. Salamat po. Egok, naghahanap ng mapasahan. Egok, nag-drive. Now driving Egok to Barredo. Malakas ang pasa. Nice play sana, pero malakas ang pasa. Mateo. Bacchiano against Egok. Bargamento rather. Ong for 3. No good. Mateo. May foul pa. Take 2. Mateo shooting for 2. And the first half. 2 shots po for Mateo. Mateo, first shot. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready for Mateo. Second free throw, jumpers ready for Mateo. Okay, that's it. 30-20 itong score po natin after first half. Laman po ng 8 ang Team Contact Center. Magbabalik po tayo and also calling Gas and Los Hermanos. Punta na po kayo dito sa Cambridge, Hilal. Waiting ka lang. Hindi muna tayo. Mag-gas na tayo. Yan. start third quarter action. The score is 30-22. Laman po ang contact center ng 8. Okay, contact center, we have the ball. Rekilman, number 12 for the inbound. Okay, Rekilman to Villaruz. Driving strong. Okay. Number 10 muna. Tunakaw. Malakas. Rebound by Bidzig. May foul kay Ansos. What a rebound by Bidzig. Wala si Darko, ha. Mga nakabakasyon. Number 18. Velasco. 9 minutes 25 remaining. Bidzig. Driving in strong. Nope. Okay, same ball. Nice hustle play. Velasco, malakas. Tunakaw. To Ansos, baba mo daw bola. Malakas ang pasa ni Ansos. Villaruz, and now again swinging. Number 45, now to Bidzig. Naghahanap ng mga pasahan. Kickball. Shot clock reset. 14 seconds again. Kickball. Velasco inbounding. Velasco to Nako. Okay, muntik na. Bidzig. Driving strong. Ayaw mo na niya. For 3. Tapos. Rekilman. Nako ni Velasco driving strong. Palpal. And red ball. Same ball. 7 minutes 51 seconds remaining. Bidzig. And one play. Bidzig 2 points plus free throw. Bidzig. Bonus free throw by Bidzig. Oh! Ano yun? Villaruz, number 10, kapos. Nakuha ni Ansos ang bola pero hindi na substitution. Okay, sub muna. Number 16 out. Number 00 in. Okay, Ansos labas muna rin para kay Baredo. Estaniel. Fresh legs by Estaniel now. Bago yan. Estaniel. Nice. 45. Velasco for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by nice on Rekilman. Nakuha ni Velasco ang bola. Talan. Velasco. Binabantayan. 45. 3-second violation. 3-second violation called by the referee. Balik muli po sa pula ang bola. Marooners ball. 60-24. 30-24 round score po natin. 6 minutes 36 remaining. Tunakaw again. Side step move. Malakas. Nice shot by Talan. Down to 4 muli po. Down to 4. Number 10. Blocking foul. Pader. Bumangga sa pader ang bata. Wala pa, wala. Okay. Belarus for 3. No good. Bedzig, naka-rebound. Bedzig again. Leading the charge. Number 0. Number 0, walakas. Bedzig has a play. And same ball. Same ball tayo, same ball. Substitution now, Ong in. Kanino po? Si Pedong. Ong pinasok na rin. Okay, kay number 45, pinasok mo ni si Ong. Okay. Talan, Velasco, 2 points, sinubo lang. Again, striking distance na naman muli po. Chance to tie up the ball gained by QR Towers. Egok, nawala halos ang bola. Egok as Velasco, Egok, tunakaw. No good. Estaniel, matlakas ang pasa. Three minutes. 5 minutes 19 remaining. Anzus pinasok muna para kay Riquelman. 3 minutes, babalik daw siya. Pinagpapahinga muna. Baredo, Anzus, 2 points. Anzus, 2 points. Velasco, Ong, pops up, no good. Baredo, naka-rebound. Anzus na naman. Baredo, driving strong, pops up for 3, no good. Hey! Green ball. Aray, mansakit. 4 minutes 30 remaining. Ong, Talan, number 0, Estaniel, no good. Take 2. Estaniel shooting for 2. 0-0 shooting for 2 ng QR Towers at 4 minutes 18 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready by Estaniel. Estaniel pops up. Wala pareho. Estaniel naka-rebound. Estaniel! Malakas! Okay. Who's foul? Ong called for the foul. Okay, Baredo. Pinasang Egok. Baredo driving strong. Nawala. Still completed. Foul! Egok, number 3, called for the foul. Wala pa. Ong, number 7, inbounding. Ong, Velasco. Number 0, Mako, mali. Talan, nawala ang bola. Number 10, pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by Velasco. Ayan kay number 0. Number 0, driving strong. Talan, 2 points Talan. 2 points Talan. 32-30 score po natin yan. 32-30. At 3 minutes 27 seconds remaining. Baredo, no good. Tunakaw, naka-rebound. Bakiano, wala pa rin. Rebound yung Velasco. Ngayon mag-isa. Okay, tabla. Time out called by QR Towers. Okay, QR Towers, lead nila kanina, 8, nag-evaporate na. Balik muli po tayo sa tabla, 32 all. 3 minutes, 5 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. Okay, bago lahat, ano muna tayo? Okay, ito po ang Aviation Friendly, Doubles of Flying League. You're watching right now the game between QR Towers and Contact Center. And coming up next is, of course, General Aviation Service and Los Hermanos. Okay, si Pauni nandiyan na. Saka si Okay, ito na. Tunakaw, side step move. Rekilman. Okay, sabi ni Maverick Valdez, shoutout kay Dave Perido. Shoutout kay Dave Perido. Velasco. Number 0. Oy, galing labas. Oh, iyan, bata. Nakakaripon. Sarado na. Sa car park na lang. Wala na. Kasi giniba niyo yung dalawang pod doon. Sa car park na lang, pre. Ha? Kapon. 2 points, Baredo. Car park.
Bakit giniba?
Wala. Ano kasi, yung lugar niya yata, bibitaw niya yata ng Carrefour yun. Pinag-iba ng management.
Pero ano pa rin siya?
Oo.
Sila pa rin naman.
Yung unang dalawa lang yata sa Carrefour. Kapos! Unang sa Carrefour lang. Malakas! Foul! Okay. Baredo again for 3. Wala. Tunakaw, naka-rebound. Fade away shot. Wala pa rin. Nandun. Si Talan. Si Ong. Umatake. Oh! And one play made by Ong. Ong. Basket made. Timeout call again by Contact Center. Okay, the score is 35-34. Ong basket mate po yan and chance to tie again the ball game against Contact Center. Back to the ball game. Ong, bonus free throw coming up. Bonus free throw ni Ong. Ong, number 7, chance to tie the ball game. First shot. Pasok! Tabla! Yasel, wala ng oras. Mag-basketball ko. Ha. Sabi Scott. Tunakaw! Muntik na. Okay, Tunakaw, nag-sidestep. Double zero called for a foul. And number 10 shooting for 2. Number 10 inbounding rather, sorry. Rekilman! No good. Hop! Pumalakpak ka. Technical foul on Ong. Bawal yun, bawal po yun. Okay, take a free throw coming up. Take 1. Bawal po yun. If you're wondering, anything na clapping, bawal yun. Kaya Pag may technical free throw yung parang taunting din kasi yun. Taunting. And bola pa po ng team contact center. Belarus. Rekelman for 3. No good. Talan. Nope. Nakuha ni number 22, Erasmus. And now kay Birg. Ilalim. And one play na naman kay Ong. Nice pass from Big Zig to Ong. And Ong converting that shot plus bonus free throw. Ong bonus free throw coming up. Pops up. Wala. 30-75. Change play mo tayo. Tunakaw na. Tunakaw. Malakas. Ong. Ayun. Number 12. Talan. Pasok. No good. Your Towers still hanging the lead. For 3. Oh, for 3. Wala! And that's it. Third quarter actions finished. Okay, the score right now is 35-39. Lamang mo naman ngayon ang QR Towers. Okay, you're watching right now the game between QR Towers and Contact Center. And after this po is, of course, General Aviation Services versus Los Hermanos. Green ball, green ball, green ball. Green ball. Okay, green ball po. Velasco for the inbound. Nice shoot, ha? Velasco. Okay. Velasco, Velasco. Velasco! 2 points, Velasco. Grabbing it strong. Tunakaw. Barredo. Barredo thinking 3 maybe. Egok. Egok. Side step move. Palpal. Sacramento. Wala. Balik muli po. Balik muli. Bacchiano. Tunakaw for 3. Bang! 3 points, Tunakaw. 38-41. Laman ng tatlo na lang muli ang QR Towers. QR Towers. Estaniel. Ayun. Pops up. Swimming. Tapos. Egok. Egok. Nope. Ayun. Ansos. Tunakaw. Tunakaw again. Tunakaw. Diretso daw niya. Tunakaw. Egok. Egok. 2 points, Egok. Estaniel, Estaniel. Estaniel, grabbing. Nakuha ni Egok. Nakuha ni Velasco. Velasco, driving, boarding. Pasok. Nice shot by Velasco. Binawi ka agad niya. Ang nawalan lamang sa kanila. 40-43 ngayon yung score. Tunakaw for 3. Ayaw muna. Binabatay na kasi. Tunakaw. Strong move. Wala. Nakuha ni Estaniel. Binababa. Swinging. Fadeaway shot. Wala, kapos. Velasco. Bacchiano. Malakas. Again, one more time kay Bacchiano. Bacchiano, driving strong. Pinasa kay Barredo. Barredo. Pow! Two shots awarded kay Barredo. Barredo, 2 shots. Barredo, 2 shots. 15. Barredo. No good. Second throw, jumper ready po tayo. Barredo, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Pure Towers. Pure Towers, driving it strong. Fadeaway shot, no good. Barredo, naka-rebound. Bacchiano, 3-on-2 situation. Ansus, wala, tapos. Ong naman, si Ong. Ong! Floater shot, wala rin. Barredo. Barredo, binabantayan ni Ong. Barredo nakalusot. Barredo driving strong. Wala. Again, Bacchiano. Wala pa rin. Barredo naka-rebound. Wala pa rin. Minamalas. Bacchiano. 2 points. Pagod na. .40-45 at 6 minutes 49 remaining. Egok. 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 Side step of Palpal. Nakuha nito Ansus. Tunakaw for 3. Wala muna. Ayaw nga. Tunakaw for 3 nga. No good. Estaniel naka-rebound. Oh, Palpal. Take 2. Ong take 2. Timeout called by Contact Center. Okay, sila boss sa Dukamba ang venue bukas. Ay, hindi ko lang. Alam ko boss, Wakra bukas. British International School in Wakra. Ong. Completed. Second shot. Pops up. Pasok. 40-47. A 7-point lead being enjoyed now by Pure Towers. Sir Ari, sir, British School in Wakra po yun. Pero pakicheck na lang po kay Boss Philip, boss, para makasigurado. Salamat po. Tunakaw. Tunakaw. Driving strong. Intercepted. Green ball. Nice hustle by Velasco. Inbound din po si Mr. Velasco to Estaniel. Estaniel to Ong. 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 Estaniel. Estaniel. Tino yung bola. Nako ng pick. Oy, Estaniel. Driving. Kay Ong for 2. For 3. Bang! Ong, 3 points again. Rekilman for 3. No good. Estaniel. Estaniel, 2 points again. 40-50 tone score po natin. A 12-point lead being enjoyed now by QR Towers. Belarus. Bacchiano, no good. And green ball muli tayo. Okay, again, timeout called by contact center. Wala si Roy. Amazing service of Roy. Wala ka ng big man sa kanyang rebound. Okay, game, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Velasco for the inbound. Velasco to Staniel. Dope, it's Bidzig. Bidzig. Lost the ball. Red ball, red ball, red ball. 4 minutes 35 remaining. 4 minutes 35 remaining, red ball. Barredo again, no good. Bidzig naka-rebound. Staniel. Talan. Ong for 3 again. Tapos, ayun. Nanzo naman. Talan. Up. Tapos 3 minutes 58 remaining. Bidzig. Foul. Double zero called for the foul. Ansos for double zero. Reckelman. Pinasok mo na para kay Egok. Bidzig. First shot. Tapos. Bidzig, second shot, jumpers ready. Manya po is, of course, Gas versus Dos Hermanos. Egok, 3 minutes 51 remaining. Wala! Malakas! Bacchiano. Tunakaw. Egok. Kapos. Rebound, Staniel. Nice yung bayong. 40-57. At 17-point lead already been enjoyed. Pops up again for 3. Kapos. And rebound by Bidzig. Bidzig foul. Okay, time out now called by QR Towers. There, boss. Sir Aris. Pakitanong mo kay Boss Philip, boss, pero as per sa akin is British Wakra. Sa may dulo po ng Wakra yun. Malayo. Okay, 2 minutes 53 seconds remaining. Malakas, Tunakaw, steal the ball. Tunakaw, diretso na raw. Wala pa rin. Beredo naka-rebound. Ansos fumbles. Ong. Same ball. .45 inbounding. Ong. Pops up. Pasok. That's number 22. Number 22, 2 points. Hop. Kick ball. Same ball. Baredo inbounding. Baredo. Ayun na. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Foul. Ansos. Who's foul? Clapping na naman pala. Clapping. Pacquiao for 2. No good still. Bola ng red ball. Egok driving in. A minute 47 final quarter. Tunakaw for 3. No good. 22. Bedzig. Eraskin. Pops up. No good. Ansos. Same ball. Red ball. Egok. No good. Talan. A minute remaining. 45. Good ball. Eraskin. Ong. Bedzig for 3. No good. Egok rebound. Egok. No good. Baseball pass kay Talan. No good. One more time. Talan. Hoop shot. No good still. 45. 13 seconds remaining. Bedzig for 3. No good. Baredo naka-rebound. Okay, that's it. And they concede already for sure. Number 10. Wala na. Okay, final score. 40-59. A 90-point lead. Been enjoyed and won by Team QR Towers. Okay. QR Towers winning. A dominating performance by QR Towers. Group picture, please. Thailand. Okay. Boss, don't block the score and balance din, no? Balance, please. Okay, 40-59, QR Towers winning the game.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 40-59. Okay. So, who's POG? POG. Ah, okay. Thailander nga. POG po, sir. POG.
Hindi ba yung X-Pac ko? Dumating ako sa
Okay, Mr. Ong, number 7 is the POG. Yan, 40-59.
Alright, got it.
At mula dyan, Ong, dito ka, Ong. Dito ka, sisikat ka sa akin ngayon. Okay, Ong. Mr. Ong, congratulations for winning the ball game, Mr. Ong. Congratulations po.
Thank you.
Lakas sa konti, sir. Okay, sir, paano sir? Lumamang sila ng todo sa second quarter, pero mukhang na, solely po yung game yung mukhang nakuha niya na kagad talaga. Paano po na nagawa niyo yun sa wakas?
Teamwork lang, sir. Siya katakbo lang ng takbo. Continuous moving.
Okay.
Yun lang, sir. Yun lang.
Then pumunta ka on the third quarter action, uminig ka ng todo. Ano sa amin po dun, sir?
Inspired.
Inspired talaga. Okay. Okay, sir.
Shoutout.
Wala pa. Teka lang, isa. Okay, shoutout po. Yan o. Okay, ngayon. Last game ko ba siya nagpamasahan sa Square Towers? Ano lang yung last games?
Panalo.
Last games pa po. Last game yan.
Wala na, hindi na kami matatalo. Panalo na lahat po, sir.
Sige, okay. Okay, now. 1 minute, sir. Shoutout po, sir. Sige po. Mr. Ong.
Shoutout pala, sir.
Okay. Your Towers win the game. And also, ano pa?
Shoutout sa girlfriend ko.
Okay, tama yan. Sige, ano pa?
Ayun lang, sir.
Okay, yun lang. Okay, with it
God
po.
bless.
Thank you po. Okay, Mr. Ong and company, Your Towers are winning the ball game. Maraming salamat po. And with it po, maraming salamat. And it's time po tayo for the second game of the game. Thank you.